Ladies and gentlemen, Adidas blessed me, only me, with the ability to purchase Yeezys for retail. Now, I don't know if you know how important this is. I never get anything from anyone. Nikes, Adidas, Supreme, whatever you want to, whatever it is, they never. I get nothing. I was about to go to work the other day, laying in bed. I'm about to get up. All of a sudden, an Adidas thing comes across my phone. And lately, it's been like, "Hey, buy these slides and vote for this stuff." I'm like, okay. I open it up. You have access to Yeezys. What? So I open it up. Sure enough, there's, I think it was like 6 pairs of Yeezys that you can buy for retail. I was shocked, to say the least. As far as I can remember, there was the Mists, the Cinders, the Marshes, the Earths, the Taillights, but the Taillights were sold out. I mean, they were sold out before I got there, like, right away. That might have been it. There might have been like one more that I'm missing. But those were the main ones I can remember. So I hopped on and I grabbed 2 pairs for retail. I grabbed one in my size and one that was a size that might make some money. I don't know, but also my mom might be able to wear it. So I blah blah blah. So the one that I ordered in my size was Yeezy 350 Boost V2 in the Earth colorway. Now, I know these have been out for a while, so obviously nobody's going to care about this video. I'm still going to show you guys anyway, just because it's content. I need it for right now. I have seen these before in a store. When they first came out, one of my resale shops that are near me, they had a billion of them just sitting on the table, and I picked one up and looked at it for a while. But this is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 in the Earth colorway. Best way I can describe this is probably one of the better fall colorways of Yeezy in general, because it's got that just kind of mud color to it. I don't know how else to describe it, but just mud, earth, dirt color. It's kind of the same 350 V2 I've been getting from every single drop since the static. You get the see-through stripe on the side. Pretty much the only part see-through is like right here. This one does come with a pull tab. It's hit or miss on some of them. Some of them have pull tabs, some of them don't. I don't know how they just decide which ones get the pull tab, which ones don't. It's just kind of random from what I can tell. Yeah, overall, not a bad shoe. This little boost cap, or whatever you want to call this, like the heel, where your heel hits. I don't know why it's yellow like this. No one's going to see this. I guess it was just kind of like, they were like, oh, let's do it, screw it. And then obviously you got the boost right there, clean midsole. Haven't worn, I mean, I put this on my foot for like 2 seconds just to see what it looked like. Retail, so like after tax, shipping or whatever, $235 for these. They're going for like $3 after fees on StockX and stuff like that. The only problem is the person that delivered these shoes to me, these shoes right here, decided it'd be fun to just kind of throw the box. And so I ended up with this jacked up box, which I'm pretty sure StockX does not take boxes that are damaged. And I mean, this is not, it's not like this is like barely noticeable. This is, I mean, you can tell just looking at the box. So kind of ruined my chances of selling on StockX, I believe. So basically the only way I can really sell these shoes now is either doing it through Grailed, which is where I bought a couple things. I look at it like almost every day. They really, I mean, that's where I've kind of started to go towards when it comes to buying hype stuff secondhand, because it's like, why would I pay 200, like, especially for like, so like come to Custom Box logo, you know, I basically got it for like $100 cheaper than what they were selling it for on StockX, and it was worn like once. So to me, it's a no-brainer to buy off Grailed most of the time. So that's one of my options, or I can do it on Goat, where I can do it damaged box, and there's no offers for a size 11 yet in a damaged box, so I could still make like $300 off of it. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. I'm not quite sold on the colorway, to be completely honest. I prefer like the Zion to this one. almost even a sesame to this one. I feel like, I mean, I don't know. It's hard to pass up or to get rid of because it was retail. I didn't pay resale for this. At one point I thought about it, I think. But yeah, I got it for retail, so it's kind of one of those things, like, do I just take the dub and just kind of keep these and have an extra pair? Maybe I'll just keep them on ice for a little bit because it's not fall yet, and then maybe the prices will go up even more or something like that, especially when they get to fall time and this one becomes more popular silhouette and color. Or do I just sell it now, make a quick $100, just call it a day, or $70, whatever it is. I haven't decided yet. I'm sure in the next couple days, hours, weeks, whatever, I will. Not a bad shoe though, overall. It's not bad. Like I said, probably one of the better fall colorways. I mean, I said I like the Zion better, but I think in terms of actual color for fall time, this is probably one of the better ones you can get, because you can just wear it with like khakis or stuff like that, and it would just kind of work pretty well. Even like light colored shorts, I think would still look really well with these. But yeah, that is today's video pretty much already. Yeezys for retail. I did get another pair. Those will be coming in. That'll be a separate video. I'll show you those. I don't know if I've ever seen the ones I bought. I bought the Marshes. I don't know if I've ever seen those in person. If I have, it was from a distance and that was it. So that'll be an interesting video because that'll be kind of basically like my first reaction. Like I said, I've picked these up and I've held these in my hand before, so I know what these look like. So like this is just kind of like, oh look, I got these for retail. Look. Yeah, that'll be another video coming up here pretty soon. Whenever these videos come out, Supreme Lookbook should be coming out pretty soon, and Supreme Fall Winter 20 should be starting pretty soon. Just crazy because it feels like we just got done with spring summer and now we're already into fall winter. Who knows what I'll buy from it this year? It depends on what stuff comes out, if there's any good collaborations. I know there's supposed to be a Comme des Garçons box logo possibly coming out this season. It should be a hoodie. I've been buying a lot of hoodies, but knowing my luck with bots, the way bots have been lately, it's just been just a slaughter of manual users. That's a whole different video. This is a Yeezy video. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go and drop a like on it. I would appreciate it. Shows the support and the people that actually watch these videos, like seeing it. Comment, what do you think about the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Earth colorway? Do you like this colorway? Do you think there's other colorways that are better for fall or just in general? Go and let me know in the comment section below. Did you get access to that Yeezy restock? Go and let me know in the section below. And if you did, were there even taillights left when you looked? Because that's the ones I wanted, and they were completely gone. So, who knows? And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay up to date on everything I do upload. Like I said, the Marshes video should be coming out the same week because they should be here in like 2 days. So that should be something you can look forward to. Other than that, it's kind of just dependent on whatever I buy in the next couple days, week or so. If I find anything on Grailed, which I've been looking at some stuff, so we'll see if I actually end up pulling the trigger on any of that, or if I get lucky with any releases that are coming out here in the next week or so. You guys will obviously see that, and there'll be more videos in the near future. Until then, stay safe, social distance, all that crap, wear a mask. We don't want to be stuck in here until 2021. We want to go outside and enjoy the weather and people's company. That is it for today's video, and until next time, peace out, guys.